Hey guys, I'm Jackson. I'm doing another CD review. I know what you're all thinking. Another one, really? Well, again, I told you I picked up some CDs, so I'll review them. And so last one I just did was Will by December. Go check that one out. That one's a really simple one. Now this one is Sounds All Around live sessions from CJSW 90.9, which I think is a radio station. I'm not too sure. Anyways, so yeah, it says live sessions, and so it shows people doing music things. Once you open this up, and someone fishing, listening to music, and so I don't know any of these people. I'll listen to him though. Oh, disc 2. Yeah, I don't know any of them. Anyways, I'm not gonna read all of them because it's so many. There's like, I don't know, 40 or something. I don't know, I didn't really see much. 35? So there's a kid walking with the younger kids through woods with light, playing music. Well, the younger two are playing music with eyes watching them like stalkers, random trees cut down, and some pretty nice art designs, I must admit. So yeah, why did I buy this? I like music, and I like a lot of kinds. Don't like some, but meh, looks okay. Go check out some other stuff where I'll be reviewing R.L. Stine books that I read. Well, not read yet, but pickups. Go check out my gaming channel for gaming pickups video. Go check out my review on spin mods, customize your pen. Okay. And the Uncle John's electrifying electrifying, I can't even read that. It was something about bathroom reader for kids only, something. Yeah. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, like, share, do whatever you gotta do. And I'll see you in the next video. Okay. What?